Now, to anybody who's following the price action, it has been no surprise that Shiba Inu coin is down and down and down. We've watched it come down for the last couple of months, and now you're talking about exiting the top 20 in terms of overall cryptocurrencies. We're going to go over this article, and I'm going to talk about a couple reasons why. I don't know if they do too well of a job in this article of talking about the reasons why Shiba Inu coin may be exiting the top 20, but I do not think it is going to stay out of the top 20 forever. So we're going to kind of swing it back, get some, I don't know, glass half full type of a look at it here, be optimistic. Because, guys, what I truly believe we have happening here is major fear taking over, major fear causing people to sell, and major fear kind of ignoring all of the logic. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, Shiba Inu coin is on the verge of exiting the top 20. What might save it? Now, I'm going to go through this article and I'm going to talk about what might be causing it as well, because when you understand what causes something, you understand how to fix the problem. It says the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu coin is currently grappling to maintain its position among the top 20 cryptocurrencies. A combination of factors, including broader market sentiment, has placed Shiba Inu coin at a critical juncture, where a further drop in value could cause it to exit the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. And it's not that far off. Guys, if you come down here, Shiba Inu coin is sitting at number 20. And right below it, Ton coin, 6.88 million. Shiba Inu coin, 7.125 million. Roughly a $200 million, or billion, sorry, both of those were billions. Roughly a $200 million difference between those two, and you're talking just a couple percentage point move. So if Shiba Inu coin falls a few percent, or if Ton coin rises, or a combination of both of those happening, Shiba Inu coin is going to exit the top 20, essentially leaving the only meme coin, Dogecoin, in the top 20. So what I think might be happening here, just to kind of set the scene a little bit, we have witnessed a massive move in the market over the last couple of months. A move that has driven people essentially from meme coins, from those risky assets, into altcoins. Things like XRP and so on. A little bit of a move there as people alleviate some of their risk, moving from the meme coins to the utility tokens. And I don't necessarily think that's a bad idea or a bad deal, but what I do believe is it's a product of the fear, right? Anytime you are in a fearful situation, I believe this ticked down a little bit more today. Let's see. Nope, stays true at a level of 24. So sitting here at this level of extreme fear, people are unwilling to buy risky assets. Therefore, they move to the safer or the utility assets. And that's the transition that we are seeing right now. Is Shiba Inu coin is potentially going to be kicked out of the top 20 cryptocurrencies. It says, according to CoinMarketCap data, Shiba Inu coin is presently the 20th largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $7.29 billion. At the time of trading, Shiba Inu coin is down to 1,236 points per coin, and right now, guys, 1212 points per coin. This is a 4-hour chart, and you can see that it has had a very difficult, essentially 24 hours here, 48 hours, dropping from those relative highs at 1357, touching 1213 at the moment, a major level of support at this 1,200 point per coin level that is held up over the last couple of weeks. So we do have to see how this plays out here and whether or not Shiba Inu coin is going to be on its way down. I believe that Shiba Inu coin is going to continue following Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has had a relatively rough graph over the last couple of weeks as well. And especially on this 4-hour chart here, you can see that Bitcoin is coming down and testing $83,000. So we got to keep our eyes on the overall market, is indicated by Bitcoin. The recent market drop, which has wiped significant values off various crypto assets alongside the emergence of a death cross, a pattern formed where the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average and indicates bearish momentum, has contributed to Shiba Inu coin's drop in the cryptocurrency rankings. But not necessarily, right? When they cite overall market sentiment and overall market movement, if you think about it, if it was the entirety of the market, Shiba Inu coin would be moving in tandem with the overall market, right? It would maintain its relative position. If it was in 10th overall, it would maintain its position in 10th overall. but Shiba Inu coin is falling faster than the rest of the utility tokens out there. And that is because, like I stated, I believe it's because risky assets like meme coins are getting hit harder because of the fear, and people are moving into those what they consider safer cryptocurrencies like utility tokens, major altcoins, the blue chips, Bitcoin, and so on. So what might save Shiba Inu coin? To move up higher in the crypto rankings and regain its prior position, Shiba Inu coin must rally and reclaim key resistance levels. According to on-chain data, Shiba Inu coin's path to the upside is not devoid of obstacles. Per end of the block data, and we already went over this, 550 trillion is about 140 trillion Shiba Inu coin because the rest are in the burn wall. The next resistance level is 1,400 points per coin, where 10 trillion Shiba Inu coin are being held by 11,000 addresses. This is followed by that gigantic barrier. It says 550, but it's at 150 trillion Shiba Inu coin resistance levels. Technically speaking, a move above the daily moving averages of 50 and 200 period or 200 days, it's 1,600 to 1,900 would signal a bullish comeback that might position SHIB for further gains. And you look at these graphs and you do think it's very bearish out there right now. But guys, if you let the emotion take over and you let the fear take over, it's going to make these losses even worse. That is why I am going out there and I am accumulating right now. It's tough sometimes to buy when things are down, but it makes sense. You want to buy when things are low, and I get it. They can go lower. I'm never going to be able to time it perfect. I just know that. I admit it. Anybody that has half a brain is going to admit that they don't know exactly what's going to happen next. Nobody's a fortune teller, right? But I want to buy low, and I want to sell high. So I can buy when I'm afraid, right? And I can sell when I'm excited. It's that easy. That means you're buying low and selling high. And guys, I do believe, right? They talk about Shiba Inu coin reclaiming these levels of resistance and so on. But how do we get there? Sentiment. And I wish I had the recipe for excitement, but I do not. Because right now, we've got a lot of very exciting news in the cryptocurrency space. You've got an administration that is building strategic reserves. And I get it. Some people don't like it. Some people do like it. Some people want them to spend billions. Some people don't want them to spend any money at all. Nobody's ever going to agree on that stuff. But what it does is it sets up a narrative change for the crypto space. Now, instead of being, illegal, cryptocurrency is an asset. It's something that the government wants to own, something that the government wants to hold, something that the government wants to generate more business in this industry and grow this industry out. And they might be doing it for selfish reasons, absolutely. But it doesn't mean that we can't take advantage of it as well, and it doesn't mean that we can't experience that growth. So as the market turns bullish again, whether that be tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, I don't know. But as the market turns bullish again and people become greedier and greedier, that's when meme coins outpace the altcoins. That's when altcoins outpace Bitcoin. That's when the riskier assets thrive. And right now, it is very difficult to thrive because the fear is running wild. One of the places that I am accumulating is the KSX exchange. You guys got a link for this down in the description. You guys can trade Shiba Inu coin with 0% futures fees on up to 100x leverage. And they do have the best selection of meme coins that I've ever seen in the United States. So if you're willing to buy a dip, or if you want to buy some of the biggest cryptos out there, including Picoin, that one is listed on there as well. And one of the latest meme coins that I have bought into is Solixy token. You guys got links for everything down in the description. These guys are building a layer 2 blockchain on Solana, and I believe that Solana is definitely going to be in need of a layer 2 blockchain in this upcoming rally. Let me know what you guys think about it all down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.